Hello, welcome to the free Flutter course. Today, we'll be discussing two important concepts in Dart that are frequently used when developing Flutter apps: final and const. These keywords help make your code more stable and efficient. Let's dive into the differences between them and when to use each one. Let's start with final. This keyword is used to declare variables that can only be assigned once. After that, the value cannot be changed. For example, if you know that a variable needs to hold a specific value, but that value will only be determined at runtime, you should use final. Imagine we have a variable called name that we declare using final and assign it a value. If we try to change this value later, we'll encounter an error. Now, let's look at how final is used in classes. Variables declared with final can be used as class properties that should be set only once and cannot be changed after initialization. It's important to note that since final variables can only be assigned once, they must be initialized in the constructor. Let's create a small class with a final nullable variable. We are required to initialize this variable in the constructor, even if it's nullable. We'll create an instance of our class and pass a value for the final variable in the constructor. Once set, the value cannot be changed. Attempting to do so will result in an error. Now, let's discuss const. This keyword is used to create constant values that are immutable and known at compile time. This means that these values are computed before the program runs and remain unchanged. Unlike final, const requires that the value is assigned immediately upon declaration. If you try to do this in 2 steps, you'll get an error. This is the key difference between final and const. Final allows for delayed assignment, while const requires an immediate assignment. Now you know what final and const are, how they differ, and when to use them. These tools will help you write more predictable and reliable code. I hope this lesson was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any new Flutter tutorials. See you in the next video.